Thanks for joining us in part 5 of our Baja road trip. We left the hot springs at the end of the last episode and headed straight to San Jose de Cabo to meet up with our friends Selena and Marcelo, before continuing to Cabo San Lucas. This is the overall route for the episode. The first area we stopped at was at the beach, but the first night we parked slightly back from the beachfront, as we heard that it can get busy with locals at night in the early hours whilst partying. We spent Valentines having an early dinner at Pescadito Break, just a couple of minutes along the beachfront. We then went to join our friend Lexi at an Airbnb nearby that she had for the evening. She'd been out fishing that day and had some great catches, so we kicked up a storm.
I caught that. That was me.
Did you fish that fish?
Oh, that was so good.
The next morning, we tackled the cleanup in the local area, and no, it was not our mess, but as we mentioned in our previous video, it is good to educate, and at the end of the day, we're visiting Mexico and staying for free, set an example and keep Baja beautiful. It's always shocking to see the amount of garbage, but spending just as little as 10 minutes, even just cleaning up around where your rig is, you'll have a nicer view, as well as knowing that you've helped the community. After our good deed, we moved our rigs up onto the beachfront and enjoyed the sunshine and waves for the rest of the day. Lexi's freshly caught fish was such a hit the night before, she came prepared with bags more for us. The group got larger as we were joined by Blakely, Kyle, Steve and others, as we enjoyed some fresh ceviche, grilled fish, tacos and more around the fire. I was sitting with Kyle and Sir the next morning having a coffee, looking at our beautiful backyard. The whales came out to play. If you want to see close-up footage of these, just check out Kyle's drone video, and I'll put a link in the description below. If you haven't played Taco Cat before, it is a hilarious, silly game, but I don't recommend playing it with any of us because we do get a bit competitive.
What is next? Go.
Stop it, you're
It's
Kyle's game. We're just here for it.
Okay. Oh, fuck.
Before leaving, we stopped off in the old downtown of San Jose del Cabo to see the beautiful colours that spawn the town and treated ourselves to lunch at Jasmine's restaurant in Centro. The service was excellent and the traditional decor added to the delicious foods. As we headed to Cabo San Lucas, we stopped exactly halfway for the night on the beach, which had beautiful rock formations and clear seas. We didn't realise when we arrived, but there was actually a music event on that day. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage, but it was a really good turnout on the beach. Of course, did a quickly tidy up around our rig. Oh, whale! See this here? Everyone gets stuck in the sand at least once in Baja. But if anyone sees you stuck, they'll always stop to help you out. So now we've finally arrived in Cabo San Lucas. This is where a lot of people associate with spring break, as it has a vast amount of resort and tourist points. This little guy belongs to a couple of Canadians who we just met as we pulled in and they were leaving. Check out their Instagram in the description below. The spot that we got here was free and it was located just behind the paid parking area and was only a couple of minutes walk from the beach. Again, if you'd like the exact location, just drop us a comment and I can send you the coordinates. Our friend Lexi rejoined us later that day, and of course little Hadley came along too. See, I told you, everyone gets stuck. After a morning run, the three of us and Hadley wandered down to the port and found a glass-bottom boat tour to see the famous arch. It cost approximately $14 each after bargaining with them. Oh my god. We stopped off at different viewpoints along the way and they gave us the opportunity for photos on both sides of the El Arco before dropping us off on Lovers Beach to soak up the sun. This beach is exactly where the Sea of Cortez meets with the Pacific Ocean. So the side that we got dropped off was called Lovers Beach, which is where the waters are calmer and people went snorkeling. The other side of the small beach is called Divorce Beach, where the Pacific Ocean blasts the sands with high crashing waves, but you don't swim on this side. The whales came to show off at the nearby boats, but I only had my camera out at the time, so it happened so quickly, but I managed to snap some shots, which then turned into a mini photo shoot. And yes, Hadley got hers in too. Walking back over to Lovers Beach to get picked up, we waited with many others until our boat arrived to pick us back up. This is quite fun to watch. As the wind got up, there was quite a lot of rocks in this area, so kudos to the guys that are controlling the boats. Yeah. Oh my god. I think he sees them. Getting in looked very interesting. I couldn't film as we definitely needed both hands, but we got back in the boat safely for him to take us back to shore. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up, comment and share. It really helps us out. See you next time as we leave Cabo and head to Cerritos, where I get a beach bum haircut with a view, before reaching colourful Todos Santos and hiking to El Porto to get the infamous shot. Subscribe so you don't miss it.